This is one of the advanced Portswigger XSS lab. Let me just open it in new tab. Right now, I have no idea where the vulnerability is. Normally, I'd spend the next 20 or 30 minutes reading through the code and figuring it out myself. Or I could use the AI tools to help me with the analysis. The problem is that every model seems to be good at something different. And sometimes you end up spending more time switching between tabs than actually testing the application. So let's try a different approach. I'm going to take the source code from this lab using inspect element and give it to a platform that can access multiple AI models from one place. I'll also provide some basic instructions about the challenge and see what it comes up with. It has a built-in virtual machine and an agent which will automatically access the lab through the browser and solve the lab. Not only did it identify the vulnerability correctly, but it also generated a working payload that solved an expert-level Portswigger lab in a matter of seconds. Now, you might be wondering how I got access to all these AI models from a single place. That's where ChatLLM by Abacus AI comes in, which also happens to be the sponsor of today's video. Instead of jumping between ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and other models, Abacus AI brings them together into a single platform. What I found interesting is that I didn't have to decide which AI model was best for the task. Thanks to its Route feature, it automatically picks the most suitable model for the prompt you're working on. I simply gave it the prompt and it automatically selected the AI model to analyze it. But that's only one of the available models. Inside ChatLLM, you can access many others from a single platform. If I wanted a second opinion on this exact lab, I could simply switch to another model and compare the results without leaving the conversation. And honestly, for cybersecurity research, that's probably one of the most useful parts. Instead of paying for multiple AI subscriptions and constantly switching between different platforms, you can access all of them from a single place through ChatLLM by Abacus AI. Plans start at just $10 per month, and you'll get the first month for only $7. If you want to check it out for yourself, you'll find the link in the description and pinned comment below. Now, let's test another Portswigger lab. This one is also an XSS challenge, and the goal is to inject a payload that will solve the lab. What's interesting here is that I'm not even going to touch the application myself. Instead, I'm going to copy the lab description, grab the source code using inspect element, and hand everything over to the Abacus AI agent. From there, the agent will analyze the challenge, figure out the vulnerability, generate the payload, and attempt to solve the lab entirely on its own. So let's give it everything it needs and see how it performs. And as you can see, the Abacus AI agent solved the entire lab within seconds. Not only that, it also generated detailed documentation and a proper security report explaining the vulnerability, the impact, and how it could be fixed. Now, if you'd like to see bug bounty sessions using ChatLLM by Abacus AI, where we test real-world applications and see whether the AI can help identify vulnerabilities, let me know in the comments below. I'd be interested in putting it to the test on actual targets and seeing how far it can go. One feature that I found pretty interesting is the Abacus AI supercomputer. It can run local LMs, build applications, create websites, and even generate games directly from prompts. So, I asked it to build a realistic 3D Subway Surfer style game. The generation process took a little while, but the result was actually pretty impressive. What's interesting is that I only gave it a simple one-line instruction. The deep agent handled the heavy lifting in the background, expanding the request, figuring out what was needed, and generating the project for me. The final game looks surprisingly good, and textures and graphics are insane. So whether you're doing cybersecurity research, coding, content creation, or just experimenting with new ideas, ChatLLM by Abacus AI gives you access to a lot more than just AI chat models. Anyway, that's enough sponsor talk for me. If you want to try ChatLLM by Abacus AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.